What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, and if you guys are new here, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe and be part of the coolest YouTuber on YouTube. And like, as you can see, there's like stuff that is sparking there. That's because today we are doing, oh shoot. Today we are welding, and I don't know if you can see me, but today we are doing welding, and it is an Everlast stick welder, so now we're gonna walk in. Can I come? I'm looking to the camera, let's look at it. No, I'm looking through the camera, so. These people, yeah, I see it. I see the little, okay. Guys, we're behind a brick wall, but he's right there. It's good. Good. It's not even bright through the camera.
Oh, no, that's right. And when you push it, you have to change that down.